So today's job, take the last of the cabinets out, take the ply lining out, give it a really good clean. It's absolutely filthy with grease and oil, it really does stink. Shouldn't be too difficult a job though. We've taken the bulkhead out so far. That was a lot harder than anticipated. There's about 100 bolts holding that thing in. It also didn't help that the inverter was bolted to the bulkhead, so that added about 5 kilos of weight to a really heavy thing anyway. But we got it all out. That's all the wiring. So that's the 240 wiring and 12 volt right wiring. That went all around the edge of the inside there. So that's all come out. We're just left with the van wiring for the back lights and everything. So the strobes are off the roof. Got some temporary hole fillers there, bit of cardboard and some silicone. But it is only temporary, put some proper plugs in there. What else is there to do? I think that's pretty much it. It's probably not going to be an easy job getting those out. The drawers are a pain. They really are. They are fixed in solid. I mean, these drawers, or these racking is absolutely sound, but those drawers don't want to come out. They are really secure. But we've figured out how to do it. So once we get a couple of those out, we can get to the bolts, which are all hidden inside, so you can't actually even get to them without taking drawers out, but that should be pretty easy. There was a big set of racking just here. That was easy, it was just open space for trays and things. That came out really easy. But here, it's coming on. It's coming on. Fire extinguisher. Air defenders came free with the van. There was all sorts of shit in here as well. God knows what that is. Who knows? Volvo stuff. Wires, there's drill bits, there's all sorts of all useless tools. It's just going to go to the tip. But that's it. Should be today's job. So the job we're going to attempt now is try and get the cabinets out. They are really well fixed down. All the mounting points are hidden. It's difficult to see how to get it off. It took a while to figure out how the drawers come out. They are properly secure. But we have figured that out now. These things are going to be heavy, so the plan is to take all the drawers out, make it as light as we can. Should be easy to carry. Good job. So, the drawers itself have a locking catch, but inside there are these little metal tabs, and they're what hold it in. So it's just these two at the front. If we bend those out just ever so slightly, the whole drawer just comes out really quickly, really easily. So this is how it's mounted to the panelling, just straight through to the ply. Like I say, they are really well hidden. We have taken one of these out on the other side that was just shelves, and that had these bolts at the back, but it also was bolted down through the floor. So I think this is the last one at the back, and we'll see if we can move it. I have to get this bottom drawer open, I think, but we'll see how we go with that. So that's how you remove racking. That is not easy. There was one bolt all the way through, out through the bottom, underneath the van. Everything else was just screwed into the ply, but for some reason on one corner there was a bolt all the way through. But we got through that. Right, off with the ply. The last job today is to give everything a good clean down with some degreaser. The roof and the sides are just covered in general dirt, but there's a lot of greasy handprints, oil and stuff on everything that really you're going to need degreaser for that. Soap and water will probably do it, but that's just really wet and messy. It's a pretty quick job with this stuff. Wipe it on, dry it off, and everything's shiny. So that's the first day of fit out finished. Starting to make progress now. It's looking a bit more like a blank slate we can put our ideas onto for the camper van. Some of the jobs were really difficult, like taking the racking out. That was quite hard. It did come out. The ply sheets came off really easily. Cleaning it was a horrible job. There's still some really filthy parts left to do, the step and just behind the seats here. But we're going to do that when we take the floor out, which is the next job to do. First thing we're going to do is have Christmas, which is next week. So next weekend we'll be back out stripping some more of this out. Hopefully we're going to get some insulation down. If we take the floor out, put some insulation in, put the ply in, there's no point leaving it bare metal in there. But like there's going to be some preparation. The floor looks like it's just been screwed through the metal underneath it, so there's going to be some rust proofing and priming to do there, but that shouldn't be too bad. We've got to get some more things. We've got to get some bat and go get the ply. We've got the insulation already, planning ahead, but no, a good day. If everything else is as easy as this, it should be a pretty sweet build. Cheers.